Fuel your business dreams with hassle-free online business loans in the USA. Rocket ready to take your business to new heights? Say goodbye to traditional loan hassles and hello to a seamless online lending experience tailored just for you. Glowing Star. Discover the ultimate funding solution designed to meet the unique needs of American entrepreneurs like you. Our cutting-edge online business loans offer lightning-fast approval, flexible terms, and competitive interest rates, putting the power of financial growth back in your hands. Bullseye. Why choose online business loans? Globe Instant Access. No more waiting in long queues or drowning in paperwork. Secure the funds you need with a few clicks from the comfort of your office or home. Glowing Star. Tailored solutions. Whether you're a startup looking for a kickstart or an established business planning to expand, our range of loan options can be customized to fit your goals. Upward Trend. Boost your credit. Our transparent lending process can help you build a stronger credit profile, opening doors to even greater opportunities in the future. Briefcase. Minimal documentation. Bid farewell to the stacks of paperwork. Our simplified documentation process saves you time and stress, so you can focus on what truly matters, growing your business. 3 o'clock. Quick approval. Time is money, and we value both. Get approved in record time and seize time-sensitive opportunities without delays. Globe Online. Convenience. Manage your loan journey effortlessly through our user-friendly online portal. Access your loan details, make payments, and stay updated on the go. Lock Secure Transactions. Your security is our top priority. Rest easy knowing that your online transactions are safeguarded with state-of-the-art encryption. Rainbow Inclusive Approach. No need to worry about past setbacks. We believe in second chances and welcome diverse business owners, regardless of credit history. Party Popper. Celebrate success. As your business flourishes, we celebrate with you. Our success is woven into your achievements, and we're committed to being your lifelong financial partner. Phone. Personalized support. Have questions or need assistance? Our dedicated customer support team is just a call away, ready to guide you through every step of the loan process. Proudly serving the USA. We're more than just a lender, we're your growth partner. Join countless satisfied business owners across the nation who have transformed their dreams into reality with our online business loans. Ready to turn your business aspirations into accomplishments? Embrace the future of lending with our online business loans and pave the way for your business to thrive in the dynamic landscape of today's economy. Globe Apply Now button. Your business deserves the best. Upward Trend. Secure funds. Rocket Fuel growth. Glowing Star. Elevate success. Online business loans, empowering your American dream.